Hello, my name is Mike Genulitis, and I'm the founder of Cornerbowl Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get notified when there is an ongoing phishing attack against an IIS web server. Then, when a phishing attack is detected, how to include the client IP address the attack is being executed from within the email notification subject. This tutorial builds on top of parts 1, 2, and 3 of IIS Log Consolidation, Monitoring, and Reporting. If you haven't already read or watched these tutorials, I suggest you read or watch these tutorials first. To configure IIS phishing attack monitoring, find the W3C IIS log file consolidation template created in the article and video series. Then select Template Properties. The Template Properties view displays. From the Template Properties view, select the Monitor tab. From the Rules control, click the Add button. A new line item is added to the Rules table. Specify a name for the new rule, for example, phishing attack. Set the rule type to column frequency. This tells the software to group entries by a specific column, which we will configure in a moment. Assign a filter to limit the entries to 404 not found errors, which is the typical scenario of a phishing attack. The filter assignment configures the software to only target 404 log entries. If you do not already have a 404 filter created, see Part 2 of Log Consolidation, Monitoring, and Reporting. Set the column key to C-IP. This tells the software to group unique client IPs into a dictionary. Use the frequency column to specify the frequency trigger. For example, greater than or equal to 5 times in 1 minute. Use the State drop-down to configure the monitor to display a warning or critical state when triggered. Use the Action drop-down to select the action to fire. Since we want to include the IP address in the subject, we need to create a new email action. To create a new email action that includes the IP address the attack is coming from, click the Add button. The New Action view displays. From the New Action view, use the Name text box to specify a unique name. Use the Type drop-down to select Email. Use the Recipients drop-down to select the various email address to send the notification to. Change the subject line to include the name of the log monitor rule and the IP address. To do that, specify the following variable tags: monitor underscore rule underscore name and C-IP. For example, finally, click Close, then when prompted, click Yes to save your changes. Back in the Log Monitor Rules control, assign the new action to your rule. Use the Trigger Limiter controls to limit the number of notifications over a period of time. For example, 10 email notifications every hour. Finally, click Close, then when prompted, click Yes to save your changes. To see the monitor in action, open a browser, then manually trigger 5 404 not found errors by requesting a bogus page. Once triggered, we will see an email with the monitor rule and attacking IP address in the email subject, along with the HTTP requests the attacker requested. That's IIS phishing attack monitoring with Cornerbolt Server Manager.